Akasa Air received a Boeing 737 MAX in Seattle. The airline released pictures of its new aircraft. Akasa Air has ordered 72 planes and wants 18 by March 2023. 154 pilots, 115 cabin crews, and 14 engineers have joined. Akasa Air, a brand of SNV Aviation Private Limited, is backed by ace investor Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. It is founded by former Jet Airways chief Vinay Dube and former IndiGo president Aditya Ghosh. Stan Deal, president and CEO of Boeing Commercial Airplanes, said, Akasa Air can successfully serve the Indian market with its advanced, environmentally progressive 737 MAX fleet. Akasa Air plans to launch in July. It employed 26 pilots. It will be shortly summoned by the Directorate General of Civil Aviation for approving flight, which is a precursor to its air operator's license.